My boy's taking off the wheels right now. We have a coilover installed today. And then we got new tow arms and then new camera arms. Just to get rid of this big ass bucket back here. But we're gonna see how today goes. It's our first coilover install, so we'll see how it goes. But hopefully we show you along the way. Damn, this shit stinks. You gotta get from side to side. From the toe. With the toe man. Control the bolts that we're spraying it on.
Oh, that shit does stink.
It does stink, dude. I'm missing one. Oh, this one right here. Yeah, this one.
And this two up top.
I got the two up top.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Nice.
Move to the other side. Alright, go ahead.
I don't want to hit my face. Yeah.
Where the fuck up your garage floor?
Fuck that garage floor. I don't live here.
And then through the and then through the God, that shit
I suck. Wear your safety goggles at all times.
And then we should do the ones on the
I will get those later. At the top?
Yeah. My engine's already pretty cool, so look how dirty this shit is, dude.
These, though.
Oh, we had to take off the fucking brace, huh?
We'll do that later.
Alright, bet. Right now, so we're just spraying. What's that shit called? Freon. It's what's the other one that we had? Pretty much like the nickname.
Liquid wrench.
Liquid wrench. We're spraying liquid wrench all over everything. Cause I bought my Z stock and nobody's ever touched any of these bolts. Nothing. So hopefully this shit loosens everything up. Yeah, when I bought this car for the exhaust, I wish I had a picture. Everything was straight rusted. We had to take off for my whole exhaust because I have a full Tomei right now. We had to take it off from the. We took off the whole Y pipe together, huh?
Yeah.
We did the whole Y pipe at once because it was all rusted together, and that was really hard to do. But now that, yeah, these don't seem too bad though.
It should be easy.
But
We'll see.
jeez. Crazy. Alright, so here's our update. I know we didn't pick up at all because this took longer than we expected. It's like 7 o'clock. We started at 9 this morning. But right now we got this one all in. Already set. Probably gonna go lower, but we're gonna see right now. For these ones, all we had to do was take off this bolt right here, a bolt right here, so 3 bolts, and then we were able to put it on. Obviously you had to take off the strap bar over the top to put them in, but that took us, the front only took us like an hour each wheel, but the back was the biggest problem. Here's what it looks like now. No more buckets. So I have my tow arm, got my camber arm, and then the coilover in. But right now we're just stuck on the right side because we finished the left side. Left side's all set, already ready to go. But right now we're just on the right side. We have to cut off one of the nuts because it's stripped and rusted on. So we're gonna have to cut that one right now, and then I'll show you what it looks like if we get that bolt off.
And just letting it record everything. How long we're just doing shit. That we're gonna remember to record.
It's fucking, what time is it? 9? It's 9 o'clock right now. Fucking Walmart getting saw blades because we started cutting that one bolt that we need, and we need some more blades before this shit closes. My boy's not going to work tomorrow. He works at, what time you work, 5?
3.
At 3. He works at 3, so he's not going to work. We about to get some.
I'm quitting anyway.
We about to get some energy drinks, and fucking, I think it's probably over here. And probably we're just gonna stay up and finish this shit.
Safety goggles.
For real. No, fuck that.
This shit
I
is
just close my
locked.
eyes.
Why they don't lock this shit? I need to.
Yeah. Let's see when we're done. Oh my god, I'm about to, dude. I don't know, it scared me. But we just cut this off right here. So now we gotta replace this, put my tow arm in, and get the coilover in. But I had to cut this right now. And oh my god, look at this shit. Where's that other piece at? I don't know where it went. It went somewhere over there. But we had to cut this. Ah, oh, dude, I'm like. Alright, let's get this shit done. Jeez, look at this mess. Oh my god. So we just finished everything and we started lowering my car and it's crazy low. We are so low that we got the fucking jack stuck. So my fucking jack is stuck right now. Oh my god, dude, I should have brake.
I don't know what to put it on.
Put it on the side thing, right by the skirt. So hopefully this shit works right now.
Alright, so we tried it before, but we were rubbing the rear tires. We were rubbing the springs on the coilovers on the tires, so we had to adjust the camber and the toe. And this is part 2, and it was looking a lot better actually. It looks nice and flush. The toe isn't all nasty. Oh, it looks great, dude.
Ready?
Go ahead, back it up.
Hey, this shit get stuck again? I'm calling it at night. I'm fucking tired.
I don't think it's gonna be able to clear without scraping.
Hey, no noise?
No noise. Careful backing up, man.
Dude, I'm gonna fucking destroy my fucking arrow right now.
Go sideways.
Shake that.
You gotta go this way. Because there's a fat curve, you're gonna eat it. Hold on. Oh, no scrape. Oh, a little scrape.
What? My right wheel good?
Keep going.
My right wheel?
Ooh, buddy.
Go for a drive?
You want to?
Yes. Alright, so it's the next day and I'm seeing it in the morning. And I'm actually really happy with how it looks. I'm definitely gonna drop probably more. I have a lot of room up here. Probably gonna go another inch in the front, and I'm still debating if I want to go up a little bit in the back and just leave it. These are definitely adjustable. So these aren't my forever tires, obviously, or forever rims. I want to get some nicer ones, but it's very nice to adjust because the camber, last night the camber was way too much and it was rubbing on the coilover, so I couldn't even move when I was in drive or reverse. So luckily, I really recommend adjustable toe arms and adjustable camber arms, everything adjustable, because all we did was jack up the back a little bit and just hit it with a crescent wrench, and it just fully fixed my camber and even fixed my toe, because at first both of my tires were like this. My right one was like this, my left one was like this, and we just got under there real quick. It was like 5 minutes, and freaking, I think the extra money is worth the adjustable. But yeah, this is it. Very happy with it, but I'll see you on the next one.